my dear children. How are y'all? Hope y'all are safe and sound inside your house. Your Rina Miss is back again to teach you something new which you will really enjoy. Can we learn it together? Right. Today we are going to learn a new strategy called prediction, or I can predict. Now you must be thinking, what is prediction? Prediction means to guess. What is prediction? Prediction means to guess. Now what you are going to guess, that we will discuss. So wear on your thinking cap and be ready. So children, I am going to show you a beautiful picture. Please observe it carefully. Isn't the picture very beautiful? There are trees, hut, a man, 4 monkeys. It's a scenery of a village. It's really beautiful. So when you see this picture, what is the first thing that it comes to your mind? Think. Yeah, the child said correct. The man is sad. Why do you feel the man is sad? The man is sad because he has kept his hands on his head and he looks nervous. Now predict why the man is sad. Wait. Now you before predict it, I would like to tell you some prediction term. So whenever we are looking at the picture and predicting something, you should use this prediction terms. Prediction terms are very, very important. Now, if I ask you, the man is sad, why do you think the man is sad? So you should say, I think the man is sad because I predict this is happening, so the man is sad. This is happening means something where what you predict that you have to add. This might happen next because this will probably happen since. So use this. I think, I predict, might, probably. These are the prediction terms. So whenever you are predicting, you should use these prediction terms to say. So for example, I'll tell something. So the man is probably sad because the monkeys are laughing at him. Right? The monkeys might have naughty with him and threw stones on him. So the man is sad. Now it's time for you all to predict. Come on, think. Yay! The man is sad because the monkeys ate his food from the basket. Oh, very smart answer. I liked it. Anybody else would like to answer? The man is sad because the monkeys took his cap. Oh, wow. Very good. But I predict that the man is sad because he got hurt on his head. Oh wow, super. So these are the different prediction. Okay, now if you want to know really what is happening in this picture and what will happen next, you should go and watch the story called The Cap Seller and the Monkeys from the YouTube. Or if you have a book called Cap Seller and the Monkeys, read on it. Right? Now we will move on. Here is a small task for you all. Can you predict what might probably happen? Now can you see a boy and the puppy? Yes, the situation is about the boy and the puppy. Every day a small cute little puppy would come to Rahul's house. He would feed the puppy and play with it every day. But suddenly one day the puppy did not return because I want you all to predict and write using these prediction terms. So you need to predict why did the puppy didn't return to him. So predict and write, and your Reena teacher will be waiting to see your answers. Send it through WhatsApp. I am waiting for it. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Don't forget to watch the video, The Capsular and the Monkey, to know what is happening next, what will probably happen next. Enjoy your day. See you. Tata.